do it again. Do it again. I thought you were saying something else. Are you going to do your Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
It's Tuesday, my dude.
It's supposed to be Wednesday, my dudes. Hey guys, so I was watching Erin Does the Keto, her latest video where she has the hint, well I guess it's peppermint hint stuff. She said it was like candy cane juice. Well, I can't find that here. I don't know like where it is or anything. I haven't seen the hint stuff, or yeah, oh my God, no, I can't even say it. The hint stuff really at all. So I tried to make my own of what I imagine it would taste like, and this is pretty freaking close to what I think it would taste like. I used it's just ice cold water and peppermint extract and pure to how sweet you want it. And this is legit like candy cane juice. Like, I think I'm going to call it candy cane juice. Thanks, Erin. But for reals, this is pretty good. And it's helping me get my water down without any, of the chemically crap that the other flavor enhancers that I still use have in them. I have already had 32 ounces of water with some sweetener packet deals. Oh my God, I can't talk. The flavor enhancers, and now this is another 32 ounces. Sorry, that's where I rinsed out my cup from my flavor enhancer. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my candy cane juice, and yeah, and then I'm gonna go to the bank because the banking did not happen yesterday, and I have to go to the store and get butter and milk for the kids. That did not happen yesterday either. Yeah. So, and I got to get butter and leave it out because your girl has to make some more of the damn thumbprint cookies. And I'm going to do some more experimenting with it this time. I'm going to make them a little bit more Christmassy. Hey guys, beep beep, hi. I'm such a dork. So, back in my head again and back it up. I think that's all I do. Do I ever go forward? So... Happy Tuesday, friends. And let's see. Okay, do it again. Do it again. I thought you were saying something else. Are you going to do your Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
It's Tuesday, my dude.
It's supposed to be Wednesday, my dudes. But we'll take it is Tuesday, my dudes, because he is the cutest thing ever. So I totally should have gone probably twice by now. And I'll have to wait for actual traffic. Yeah, gotta go to the grocery store, get a few things, like butter, like I said a little bit ago, because I'm making more of the cookies. And yeah, I'm gonna go. Then I need to go to the bank and get some stuff taken care of there. Then I gotta run check over, and then we gotta go to my dad's shop. Yep, we gotta go to Papa's shop. Yep. So bank's not open yet because it is 8:30, and so I need to go to the grocery store first, and then my butter will be more quickly room temperature. So yeah, I can't wait to make these because I hope they're going to be as pretty as they look in my head. I'm not going to lie, they look really amazing in my head. We're going to go left. We're going to go this way. Yep. Yeah, we're going to go inside. No, we're going to come here and look at the store and look at how awesome it is. I'm just kidding. We're going to go inside, silly dude. All right, so I'll try and show you guys some of the stuff that I am getting today. I don't know if I'll be able to do any like recording in the store, but we'll see how it goes. He doesn't live here, no. He just works here. I'm gonna park here, see? I'm gonna do it here, see? Alright. Oh my god, I should never grocery shop hungry. Look who we ran into. Alright guys, just going to show you a few things I got at the store. Not exactly a grocery haul, but some good stuff here. Got bacon, because I made the last of it for the cauliflower mash. I'm hoping to finally freaking make tonight. Some pepperoni, and a couple of avocados. They were $1 each. 2 things of cream cheese, because they were 88 cents each. And then Tillamook butter I've already broken into because I need to get a block of it, or I guess, I don't know, a stick of it. Oh my god, not thawed out, softened, room temperature for the cookies I'm going to make again tonight. And then lettuce shreds because I like it pre-shredded. I hate cutting lettuce, it's so tedious. God, listen to me, first world problems, right? But this is what I got today. I did get some other stuff like, 4 loaves of bread and a couple things of bagels, a couple things of cream cheese, or hello, I'm looking at the cream cheese. English muffins, that was nothing like cream cheese. Oh, I also did get some more heavy whipping cream because I am almost out. And that was $3.99, so I was jumping on that. But yeah, this is the stuff for me. I'm actually going to break into the sausages and have an avocado and probably some cheese. Maybe even an egg or 2. I'm super hungry, but I'll show you what I eat. But we got to put this stuff away. Alright guys, so this is lunch, and apparently things got scooted around on the way to the table here. I'm having an avocado, a few nuts, and 3 of the Jimmy Dean sausages and some cheese. And
some more of those cookies.
Yep, some more of those cookies. I haven't had any today yet, so. And then there's only one more in the package I'm saving, or in the container I'm saving for my husband. So, until I make more tonight. Oh, and Diet Mountain Dew, because that's how I do. You guys, what can we say? Christmas? Those just kind of look like little baskets of turds, really. So, I don't know. That may not be a thing later. But I'll probably cover it with, like, peanut butter or, like, the cream cheese type stuff. I don't know. Like a cream cheese frosting kind of a thing. But we got some of the coconut ones. It's just pretty much the same thing as yesterday, just green. I don't have any of the plain strawberry. Those were good, but I liked them better with the coconut. And now this time I'm doing some of the strawberry and chocolate. So it's like chocolate covered strawberries with shortbread. I'm hoping those are delicious. But here we go, guys. We're going in the oven because I got a problem. All right, guys, here they are fresh out of the oven with the toasted coconut and the strawberry yums and the chocolate chips. A few of them I just didn't even make into thumbprints. I just made them into like chocolate chip cookies. So I put some extra chocolate chips in the rest of the batter, about 4 cookies worth, and smushed it all around to mix it up and just made them into chocolate chip cookies. So this is probably going to be my go-to cookie recipe for a base, and then just do whatever else with it. You can put cinnamon in there and make it more like a snickerdoodle. These are amazing, guys. I think it's literally the perfect cookie recipe. At least for me it is. I don't mind the texture of almond flour. Some people don't like it, but I get the stuff from Costco, the Kirkland kind, and it's super duper fine. So it's actually pretty good. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I gotta go pick up my kids from school. Hey guys, it's Mandy. It's after 10 o'clock on Tuesday, and I forgot to film dinner. Apparently my stomach spoke before my brain could. And so, yeah, it was just ground beef that the stuff I made yesterday night. So just ground beef, and I made some twice baked loaded cauliflower mash, and we had that with it, and some green beans. I completely forgot to take a picture or anything. So that's what I had. Hope you take my word for it. Yeah. Had way too many pretty green Christmas cookies. Yeah. I'm going to have some more water because I'm actually really thirsty tonight. And I think I'm going to call it a night. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button. Um, hit the like button. Subscribe. Comment. Share with your friends. All that good stuff. Share with your enemies. I don't know. But I will talk to you guys soon. It's been a long day. Good night, guys.